look who's got a button. Look at your button. Yep.
It's official.
Yeah, official. Oh, you got a button? Who's got a button? Oh, look at that button. Yeah, how about that? You got a button?
Yeah, apparently. Yes.
I got a button there. Oh, look, my wife's got a button too. She's got a button on her bag. Yep, got a button there. Oh, look, there's even a button right there. Waiting for our buddy Adam, who's he's in Florida right now, but he'll be back and he's gonna have his button, and hopefully he'll be making a video. But I'm making a video for my button. I've got button number 82. 82. This Dunhill Man button is ruling my world. Keep them smoking, that's what they're for. Legendary button. Thanks, Mr. Northern Bohemian, for having your contest. Keep them smoking.